taking off for the landing, especially the landing, very hard to do.
The OP-10.
She's never out of makeup. She's just like you and me.
Reconfigured for firefighting and the air C-130.
As she stands there singing her money.
Representatives are Mr. Jack Ralph from Fort Worth, Texas, Mr. Todd Lawson from Tigard, Oregon, and Mr. Landy Harnishfager from Nantucket, Massachusetts. Our financial man.